Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura. Today we are opening up a So What box. This is a small independent business owner. I think she does a great job curating these boxes. So much of the fabric that she includes and things, it's right up my alley. In fact, quite a bit of it, I believe I have in my stash. Alright, so I'm not seeing a date on these. If you've been watching, you know, the past year and a half has been interesting, to say the least. And these things have all gone by the wayside, so I gotta get through work through these and start working at the projects, but that should be fun. Okay, it says deal of the month, 35% off fabric collection. Oh, and I totally missed out on it. Pretty fabrics, lemons and yellows and greens. Would have been pretty. So, it says So Juicy. Alright, it tells us that we're going to be making a summer bag. So we are going to be making a summer bag, and everything you need is included in the kit. Ready to sew, fabric pieces are laser cut. It has the fabric and interfacing, a foam welt cord, all-purpose thread, sewing pins, and a universal needle, written instructions, and there is a link to a video. So if you're having problems and you actually need to see it, you know, there's different kinds of learners. You have the visual learner, the audio learner, and then you have the tactile learner. I'm kind of the tactile learner. I learn better if I'm doing it. Well, I kind of hate I missed out on that coupon, but that's okay. Alright, and it says this bag, prep time is 2 minutes, creation time is 90. But still doable in an afternoon. Also included is the sewing bag multi-size pattern, because what if you want to make it a different size? So she's also included different sizes on some nice paper to have make the pattern. So but y'all, those tissue patterns you get in... Ugh. She does have a Facebook community, and she does have a project vault with patterns and tutorials. Product is designed in the USA. Pins and needles packaged in the USA. Fabrics are made in the USA. Cards, patterns, envelopes, and box all designed and printed in the USA. And as always, we have a little bit of extra fabric. Okay, isn't that cute? And then and it's tied with a ribbon that you can cut on the lines and then use these as handmade tags on your items. I like that. Okay, I can see this being a very practical gift, a very practical project. The longer one, it'd be awesome for yarn, you know, put the yarns on their end and carry it with you and be able to change out your colors. I automatically seeing applications for this. Alright. And then you've got, like I said, you've got the patterns. Make them up however you need to. Different colors, different patterns. Holidays coming up. Could definitely do this in a holiday patterns. I'm actually even seeing some Christian-related fabric for carrying your Bible and a notebook, some pens, some highlighters in to church. That way you always know where your Bible and notebook are at. And we have our thread, and we have our pins, and another needle. Don't forget to be changing out your needle. Always helps you have better sewing Dull needles are going to cause you problems. So don't forget to change those out. Be sure to check out the link that's down in the description and you can get more information. I do believe if you sign up, your first month is free. It gives you a trial. It's either that or it's you get 2 boxes in one for the same price. But that's still not a bad deal. Well, I'm kind of inspired. This is going to be a fun one to make, and I said I see lots of uses for it, and I can see making these and giving as gifts, selling different things. So many of us are the same way. We don't need all these tote bags, but we can't stay away from them. I can almost hear my husband rolling his eyes and sighing, going, oh, not another tote bag. But I like the lemons. You know, you squeeze the day. Get everything you can out of your day. So I do like the lemons. Anyway, be sure to check out the description below. Don't forget to check out our Amazon shop. Holidays are coming up. And our other YouTube channel, CrazyD Ranch and Rabbitry. There are some homesteading videos. If nothing else, just watch the videos of the rabbits. Make you feel good. Their cute faces and the funny things they do. But I hope that you will subscribe. Click the bell so you're notified when we put up a new video. Like, share, make comments. Let me know if you're already a subscriber to the So What box. What do you think? Again, I love the fact that I'm helping to support a small business. And she challenges me. A lot of times she puts in patterns that I would not have chosen. But it kind of pushes me a little bit. Trying new things. And even if you don't subscribe, I hope you've been inspired a little bit to, you know, go pet some fabric. See what you've got. See what you can make out of it. Don't forget to join our Facebook group, Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners. We love pictures. Send us pictures of what you're working on. Ask questions, you know. And just know we are slowly working through our big stack. And we're going to be putting up videos of projects. Probably won't do a 90-minute video. I don't know that you would enjoy watching me for that long. But maybe at very least I make the project and show you what it looks like. Or, you know, let you see me working through it. And, you know, seeing where I have issues or problems. But so far, they've been very straightforward. So I have a feeling this one will be too. I hope you have a wonderful time with your sewing machine. Or your crochet hooks. Or your painting. Or whatever it is that you're doing. With your rabbits. With your cats. With your dogs. Have a wonderful time. Be happy. Don't forget to breathe. Most importantly, remember to come back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I will be here waiting just for you. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.